You won't believe how much time you'll save with CNC Auto Quoting. Just wait and see. Brand new feature that's coming out on the Makerverse customer portal. And what it does is it gives you a price for your CNC parts in minutes. Not only does it take your 3D files, but it also takes your 2D drawings and extracts the PMI information out of it and gives you a true price that you can buy right away. Well, it's quite easy. So the first thing you do is go to the Makerverse customer portal, you log in, and once you're logged in, you're able to upload your 3D part, attach your 2D technical drawing, and simply say, get a quote. And what it does, it takes a few minutes to calculate. Our AI technologies developed by Manish, our CTO, go right at it, and they will put a price out for you to see right away for your part, and then you can decide what you do with it. Hopefully you buy it. You know, if we start talking about materials that we support for CNC, we'll be here all day. What I can tell you is we have over 150 materials available for you and over 30 finishes that are available to you as well. So go out and try it out and see. Well, for CNC manufacturing, what we really need is step and .stp files. And of course, you can attach your technical drawing, which could be a PNG, TIFF, PDF, etc. What we do is go out of the way to try to support as many files as we can so you can get us our parts and we can give you your price, and then hopefully you become a loyal customer. Black magic. You know what's special about CNC Auto Quoting is that the price available is true to the part that you are specifying. What that means is not only do we take your 3D files, but we also take your 2D technical drawings and extract the features, tolerances, and whatever is on that in order to give you a true price that you can order right away. Well, of course, we understand that the part procurement process is typically very much back and forth. The first step is that we give you a price. And if you have some issues with it, if you have some questions, feel free to reach out to us or go onto the customer portal and change your specifications. We're happy to give you another quote. The key benefit of CNC Auto Quoting is speed. You're able to get a price for your part in minutes, right? So then you can make your decisions much faster and much more in a granular way to make the right choice.